was just like, let me just do all the colors, cause girl, I'm feeling good. Okay, my glass is damn near done. The bottle is done, but if this your first time stopping by, my name is Mikara Reid. I am image consultant, stylist, a whole line of things within the fashion and resale industry. But today we will be doing a lipstick color review, a swab on my luscious lips. Yes. So if you haven't checked out the previous videos, I did go over a couple of the other shades. But on this video, we will be doing Tiger Tiny, Teeny, Tiny, however you want to pronounce it. I'm a bit weary about this color. The other two previous videos, I did not have a liner, so as I was like changing my earrings, I told you guys I would be changing my earrings because I am that girl when it comes to earrings. But yeah, as I was changing my earrings, I decided to grab a liner. I'm very like nervous. I just opened it literally, but just looking at the color on the outside, the swab, I'm like, ooh, I don't know about this on my skin tone and my skin tone. I mean, I have a lot more reds and golds undertone. This is a lot of, orange, and I'm dark skinned and I can't be looking out here looking crazy. I mean, and I'm also on these YouTube streets, okay? We do not want to be looking crazy, so I wanted to play it safe by adding Chestnut by MAC. Yes, I am a MAC liner type of girl because these liners take me a long way. You could just even apply a lip gloss. And then you can even apply the liner and then like a lip gloss or like a lip glass, and it'll take you all day looking like you have lipstick on. But yeah, MAC. I grabbed a MAC liner. We're gonna try this Chestnut. Hopefully I don't look too crazy because I have not tried it out, but girl, we about to try it today. So just to give you guys a heads up, if this is your first time, logging in and you're just now like coming into this video and have not checked out the previous video, I am not a makeup artist. I'm not a makeup expert. I'm not a makeup enthusiast. I would like to take it as a perspective of a girl who just likes to look good on an everyday basis. I mean, even on my down day, I still want to throw on some lipstick, and this should be able to give you like an option on what looks good. So this is my skin complexion at its rarest form, and we're about to try it on this Fenty Beauty Plush Mattemoiselle Tiger Tini. So I'm gonna put on the lip liner first. Of course, this is not sharpened, but we're gonna get it there. So the reason why I rock with this lip liner, I know it's not perfect because I'm a little under the influence. And also, like I said, I'm not a makeup artist and I'm not trying to be, but Chestnut is like my nude, kind of, sort of. I kind of like this ombre effect. I kind of like this ombre effect, but I will be taking off the liners just so you girls can see it bare. But I'm just very nervous about how it's going to look. But I love this ombre look. I would definitely fix up the liner so it can be more together, but I don't have all my tools with me. But girls, let me know if you guys are feeling this. What I did was I put the matte chestnut liner around my lips, all around my lips, and then I applied the Tiger Tini lipstick in the inside of my liner. So, and then once you start blotting away, you see like the ombre type of look. I would actually wear this. Yep, I would fix this up if I had the right tools. And yes, so I'm gonna take this off, and then we're gonna get into whether or not I like it by itself. So I'll be right back. All right, so we back. Clear lips. Like I said I would. I wanted to take off the liner because I was a little bit skeptical about the color, because I'm looking at, like, again, like I said, I was looking at the outer box and the color looks a little, I don't know. I'm a little nervous because I know my undertones, and my skin definitely corresponds well with reds, and that is like a live orange, like a pale orange. So I was just buying away just because it's new and it was on sale. So we're gonna try it alone. I have no liner. I cleaned it off. I let it, just set. I just have like some prepping, some primer and some Carmex. So here it is. Yeah, I don't know. Yeah, I like it with the liner. I definitely like it with the liner. This is not really my taste per se. If it has a hint of red in it, like a fire engine red type of thing. But yeah, I like it with the liner. I'm not really a fan of it. Maybe you guys are, but I'm not feeling it. Yeah, it needs like a hint of red, or I need a liner. I liked it with the liner. Yeah, you guys let me know. This one definitely gets a thumbs down without the liner, but I will give it a thumbs up with the liner. I like the more subtle, soft look. Again, like I said, I know my undertones are very compatible with golds and reds. And so, yeah, when I mix that brown chestnuts, that liner, and then the orange, and then my undertones with the red, yeah, that was just a beautiful mixture for me. I know what's in my closet, and with me having so much accessories that's like in your face, I don't want a lot of things competing with my look. That's how I kind of formulate my aesthetic. So for me, this isn't a go. But the previous look, that was a look with the liner. So this alone gets 2 thumbs down, but with a liner, or maybe me mixing, with another lipstick, will probably be a plus. But you guys, let me know down below in the comments. Let me know your thoughts. If you tried it, if you liked it, let me know if you're gonna go buy it. If you agree that you don't really like it, is what we got next. Okay. PMS. I'm a little skeptical about PMS because this is very dark. I might have to get a liner for that too. I know my aesthetic. It's been a lot of trials and errors, and I feel like I'm gonna need like something to zhuzh it up. So if you haven't checked out the previous videos, the previous series where I opened up, you know, what I purchased, because I was just feeling a little spicy after my little girls' night out. Well, it wasn't a girls' night out, but a nice little virtual girls' night with my homegirl. And I just felt like recording, pressing record, you know, opening some box and just put on some things and showing the shit with you guys. So let me know. I will be banging out this last one. It's PMS. I think I know what liner. Stay tuned. Bye, y'all.